special. Ready to see how this sauce can transform your dinner? Let's move on to the next step. Welcome back, food enthusiasts! Before we dive into our guide for stress-free dinners, let's take a moment to master some essential cooking techniques. Understanding these basics will not only make your cooking more efficient, but will also elevate the flavors of your dishes. First, let's talk about the magic of sautéing. Heat up some olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your finely chopped onions. Sauté them gently, stirring occasionally, until they become translucent. This should take about 5 minutes. This step is crucial as it brings out the natural sweetness of the onions, forming the flavor base for many dishes. Next, it's time to add the garlic. Minced garlic only needs about a minute to sauté until it's fragrant. Be careful not to let it burn, as burnt garlic can impart a bitter taste to your dish. The aroma of garlic sautéing in olive oil is a sign that you're on the right track. Remember, patience is key here. Allowing these ingredients to cook properly ensures a depth of flavor that will enhance your entire meal. Mastering these basic techniques is the first step towards creating delicious, stress-free dinners. Now that you've got the sautéing down, let's move on to making your dinner time effortless and enjoyable in our next scene. Now that we've mastered the basics, it's time to elevate our dish by crafting the perfect sauce. This is where the magic truly happens. Start by adding the chopped tomatoes to the pan. Stir well, ensuring they are evenly distributed with the sautéed onions and garlic. Pause for effect. Allow the tomatoes to cook down for about 10-15 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll notice the tomatoes starting to break down, releasing their juices and forming a rich, flavorful sauce. If you prefer a smoother consistency, this is the perfect time to use an immersion blender. Blend the sauce directly in the pan until it reaches your desired texture. Remember, the key to a great sauce is patience and allowing the ingredients to meld together beautifully. This homemade sauce will serve as a versatile base for countless dishes, from pastas to casseroles.